Hi everyone, my name is Donkey, and today we're back doing another little review, reviewing a new game actually, called Sudopic, a dynamic Sudoku puzzle game. So the pic is obviously standing for picturesque. Yeah. It's nice to see actually that the installation bit was, well, it wasn't an installation bit. It was just like a single runtime bit, which is always something that's nice to see rather than having a really long installation process which leaves a program after. Anyway, just a small comment there. So, hey everyone, I've been working for about a month on a PC puzzle game, Sudopic. Sudopic is a Sudoku-like puzzle game with a dynamic gameplay, thanks to different items that will help, or in some cases obstruct your solving process. The main aim is to solve all the puzzles, anyway, and reveal all the images that lie behind, which is quite a nice little concept. You could do that there. And this is the bit that's quite important. My intention, as soon as I finish it, is to port the game to the main mobile stores, the App Store and the Google Play. So, and I think, in terms of the App Store, getting a app on the App Store is quite long and complicated, I believe, and I think it costs something. Whereas I think Google Play one is relatively simple in comparison. So that's something to maybe bear in mind when making it. Maybe aim for Google Play to start with, and then if it works, maybe go. Depends how you're set out to do it, and how serious you are, of course. So yeah, there's a little demo thing, and that's kind of it for the bit here, the words, so to speak. So when you actually load it up, you get this kind of menu, you get some nice options, some sound effects and music. It would be nice to see like a tutorial option come down here, just so that maybe the people who've never done a Sudoku before would just have that option of learning before just diving straight in. Because I imagine if you haven't had that experience before and you just go straight in at the first level, you're probably going to sit there and think, I have no clue what I'm doing whatsoever. But yeah, we've got adventure mode. This is the first one. We'll try this out first. The select stage thing actually seems pretty nice. I quite like the idea that this is like it's Sudoku, but not quite, because you're obviously selecting stages. And I've just thought of quite a nice idea with this. I'm not sure if this is actually a thing, because I'm not going to be able to go through and test all the levels. But on the Sudoku ones, when you... it looks quite similar to this actually. When you complete the whole thing, it reveals a picture. It'd be pretty cool, like little Easter egg if that's what this did. It might do, I don't know. But yeah, that'd be pretty cool. Nice little reward for the people that finish the game. But yeah, this is what it starts to look like. Stage 0, 0. Maybe stage 1, 1 would be better. And yeah, you're presented with this kind of screen here. So to start with, I loaded this up and I wasn't quite sure what I was doing. So I was clicking this and trying to put in numbers using the keyboard, and it wasn't really working very well. So what you have to do is kind of hold it down like this and pick which one, which personally I don't think is very good. I think if you've got the keyboard, you may as well use it. Even if you press a button, so we've got 1 to 10. Press say 6 and then click on this one, maybe that then becomes a 6. That would be quite a easy fix for the controls. But it really depends how you want to go about making the game, because it does scream quite significantly Android mobile kind of thing. So it doesn't seem to be that aimed at computers. It doesn't seem to be aimed at the PC user. So it says here my intention as soon as I finish it, and that seems a little bit it's a little bit unsure as to what that really means. Is that as soon as you polish the PC version, or is that as soon as you've finished all the levels? Which one is it? And that's up to you. Either way works. All I'm saying is that at the moment it doesn't work that great as a PC game. The levels are good, but the controls and stuff could do with some polishing if you're planning on actually releasing it as a PC game. It depends. So anyway, you get this kind of thing here and you have to hover over them, and I'll just quickly do one of these and show you guys what is going on if I do this one. So if you complete a level like this, you see it adds another number in for you, which is quite a nice little reward, because sometimes it doesn't feel like it's possible, and maybe some of these later ones are impossible if you don't finish one bit, and it's quite nice. And there it actually set off a chain reaction earlier where it hit one and then hit another and then kind of kept going, so it's a pretty nice little feature, and that's probably the start of the dynamic kind of aspect to it. I'm yet to see anything else because I've only played this level, so I've seen some here, so we might get to them, but I'd like to play the classic mode as well, just to get a feel for both of them. In terms of portability, so no, that's quite nice. Oh, we lost lives, yeah. I was going to say it was the incentive to do it. Anyway, so in terms of portability, how well do I think this could port over? I think there's probably some changes that could be made if you're planning on properly porting over. I'm just going to switch to the classic bit as well. Here we go, back to the main menu. Some things that you could change. So, oh wait, I didn't mean to do that. You could make it so that instead of like pressing on a tile, you maybe have some numbers at the bottom, and okay, so it's just this is just normal Sudoku. I'm not sure. Yes, you just have some numbers along the bottom, and then you maybe click on them and then click on a tile. That would be a way of doing it. Instead of, the only way I'm thinking that this could port over is if you have like, you have to click on it and then you have to click on the number, which wouldn't be like majorly efficient. It wouldn't work amazingly, I don't think. It would work, but it depends how well you want it to do. So kind of depends. Does that add that extra time if we mess it? Oh, that was actually a 4. No, it doesn't add extra time. So I guess on this mode you can just spam guesses. So maybe reconsider that one, maybe add a time penalty or something, because yeah, you can just spam guesses like that. What I did want to see though, which one is it? 7. Okay, so this is just completely normal Sudoku. So I guess you could learn from here how to do it. I guess that's kind of a tutorial. Maybe just take the classic mode, ramp it up to like a massive amount of hints, and then just run a tutorial through that. So say, you know, you could put a, like, wherever it is there. Maybe just tell the user, you know, you could put the what is it, 6 there, just so that they know what's going on, and tell them why it's happening, so they're not just kind of fumbling in the dark. That'd be pretty nice to see. Other than that, I can't see any major problems. It is obviously, it does scream to me, the mobile. It seems to me that you're making a mobile game on PC, which makes sense, obviously, because you have to test it first. But yeah, maybe just reconsider this whole like hold down method of choosing numbers, possibly. That'd be my only concern with either PC or with mobile. So anyway, that was my review of Sudoku. If you like this video, remember to like, subscribe, all that you guys want to do, and I'll talk to you in the next one.